Can you relate to me? You're walking in your house, and on the floor, you see an item laying, and this is the 100th item you will have to pick up today, because there's always stuff falling to the ground from your other family members. Hey, they don't pick them up. They don't, and now you have to. But you don't wanna. You feel like, bro, this is so hard. It's fucking mental pain. It's a burden already. It's a 100 thing. I picked up the other 100 things already, and I have to pick this 100 the first. It's like, you don't want to do it. But guess what? Your body is capable of doing it. Imagine this. You have a decision to make. Would you eat the eggs, but you have to, of course, make them, fry them and everything, right? Or would you just take the hamburger out of the refrigerator and eat that? And of course, let's imagine it's breakfast. Oh, you're early for school, but you could have woken up earlier. Oh, you have to do all this, da da da. It's hard to make eggs. It's way fucking easier to eat a burger. Yeah, that's true. Your body doesn't want to do it. Your body is telling you, just eat the bloody burger. You don't have time for eggs. Eggs take time. You could be doing something else. Da da da. It's not that bad, right? That's what your brain is telling you. But guess what? Your brain doesn't always want the best for you. You have two types of brain. You know those pictures where they have angel and the devil, and it's telling you everyone is telling you something, right? Both of them. This could be taken as the devil. He's telling you, eat the junk food, eat that, da da da. He doesn't want good for you. But you have to be smart enough to realize that there is a good side too. There is good food. And if you want to improve, you should take the good steps, even though you really want to take the bad steps. This is called willpower, on the other hand. But what I'm trying to say is that your body is always capable of doing the hard shit. You don't want to bake the eggs, but you can. I mean, your brain is really telling you, fuck that, I'm not doing it. But you can just go there and bake the eggs. Fry the eggs, There's 101st item on the floor you don't want to pick up. Guess what? You don't want to. Your brain is telling you, fuck this, I'm out. But you can. You can go and pick it up. You're taking a cold shower. Your body doesn't want, oh fuck, it's fucking freezing cold. I'm not gonna do it. But you can just step under. And you're gonna survive. Be there for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and get out. You're gonna survive. But your brain doesn't want to do it. But your body can. It's the same, for example, as approaching women. Oh no, it's so hard. But you can just start walking and start doing, But okay, let's forget this last example. The thing what I'm trying to tell you is your body is always capable of doing this stuff, even though your brain is telling you can't. And I'm gonna give you an actual example where you maybe already experienced that, or maybe not, I don't know. But for example, in my country, we have school runs, like small marathons. We have to run 5-mile runs, 5 kilometers actually, that's not miles. And so what do? Let's imagine you're not that fit of an athlete, right? And you're running, maybe you run past 2 kilometers, and you're already like, yeah, that's kind of pain. You go third, okay, now you can't no more. You can, there's 2 more, but you can't no more. You can't run no more. You can't, you feel like you were gonna fall down and die. No, not actually die, but you feel like you're gonna fall down. And you're like, oh fuck. But you can still run. You can, I tried this. That's my experience. I was running, and I felt like I can't no more. I can't feel my legs, I can't feel my body. My heart, my livers, everything, I was just like so dead. But I kept on going. And I ran 2 more fucking kilometers. But that was some time ago, right? But that's just an example. Your body can do it. Even though your brain can. My brain was shut off. And only thing that was inside my head was pain of running. But I didn't stop. So yes, even though your brain is telling you can't, your body can. So no matter how hard the thing is, you can do it. So if the thing is good for you, if you know the thing is gonna be good for you, do it. Because your body can. But your brain is a bitch. And don't let that bitch run you. Because remember, pain sucks, but it's what makes us stronger. Ciao.